Ciao, sono Andrea Brasolin.
Hello, I'm Andrea Brasolin, product specialist at dBTechnologies. In this video, we will describe the features of the new INGENIA series, particularly the IG4T model. INGENIA is the first series of vertical active speakers designed and manufactured by dBTechnologies. The range consists of 4 models with 400 to 900 watt RMS power. The entire series is mounted with high-efficiency neodymium components. The IG4T features 4 6.5-inch woofers and a driver with a 1.4-inch exit throat and 3-inch coil. The INGENIA system is equipped with DigiPro G3 technology, offering remarkable efficiency for its limited weight and size. The dBTechnologies Research and Development Department has combined innovative engineering solutions and ease of use with its high-quality components in all 4 models in the series. This makes the INGENIA series a perfect mix of professional sound quality, high efficiency, and high versatility. Let's take a closer look at the innovations making this series so unique. An asymmetrical vertical directivity horn was developed by dBTechnologies for this series. The horn allows 70-degree coverage on the lower part and 20-degree coverage on the upper part, thanks to the particular waveguide design that directs dispersion. In this way, the system's horizontal dispersion is wide and constant, while the vertical dispersion is controlled on the upper part and wide on the lower one. This guarantees optimal performance when it comes to directivity coverage in both the stacked and flown models, indoors and outdoors. The particularity of this horn not only allows optimal coverage when the speaker is used on its own, but also allows coupling with another unit of the same model, thus avoiding typical phase problems. One of the main characteristics of this series is that not only can you match 2 cabinets of the same model, but you can also control the total vertical coverage of the system via digital steering automatically operated by the DSP. This can be done without having to change the position or inclination of the systems. Let's look at the process in detail. INGENIA models can be coupled by simply overturning the upper unit onto the lower one. The handles are equipped with internal infrared ports. In this way, the 2 DSPs can exchange information when the 2 units are stacked. This infrared communication system works perfectly in all climate conditions and does not suffer the presence of sunlight. To ensure the 2 units are aligned perfectly, there are grooves on the upper part of the cabinet that simplify and ensure proper coupling. This makes the procedure quick and easy. The LPIG locking system adapts to all 4 models in the series and ensures stability of the coupled cabinets. All cabinet functions are easily controlled via a graphic interface and rotary encoder on the back of the cabinet. The organic LED display is visible even in sunlight. Thanks to the infrared communication system, the 2 speaker DSPs can exchange information. From this moment on, the 2 matched speakers function as a single system. Consequently, the settings of the first unit now apply to the second one too. The advanced interface guides the user step by step in order to correctly set up the system. First of all, let's choose if we want to hang the speakers or place them somewhere. Now we can modify the system's vertical steering by selecting the appropriate coverage for the application required, choosing from the 7 available presets. The DSP responds to the system's transducers in order to set sound wave direction, eliminating phase cancellations. Following just a few simple steps, optimal coverage is achieved in a few seconds. The menu allows you to modify some parameters and save and recall the system settings configurations.
Configurazioni di utilizzo del sistema. L'equalizzazione del sistema.
The system equalization can be modified via the acoustic correction menu. You can now select the band you want to adjust, modify gain, and confirm the required correction.
E confermare la correzione desiderata. Analogamente,
Similarly, we can change the system delay when needed. In live situations where there are other amplification sources on stage or natural acoustics, such as a set of drums, you can virtually align your speakers, indicating the distance of these sources in either meters or feet.
in metri o in piedi a cui si trovano queste sorgenti. Il sistema
The system allows you to manually update the presence of one or more subwoofers in the current configuration, and then decide to confirm the required crossover frequency.
la frequenza di crossover desiderata. Nel pannello posteriore
You can update the firmware by accessing the USB port under the rotary on the back panel. All Ingenia models can be used in standalone or coupled configurations,
in modalità
stacked on one or more subwoofers, or flown via the flybar that is adaptable to all Ingenia models.
adatta a tutti i modelli della serie.
Visit www.dbtechnologies.com for further information on the IG4T and the entire Ingenia series. Thank you, goodbye, and see you in our next video.